Individual 1 has chromosomes MIJ.KLHD and GHIJ.LKM. The dot represents the centromere. Letters represent the regions on the chromosomes. During meiosis, these chromosomes are going to line up by creating a loop so that the regions match up. During a crossover between regions J and K, 4 different gametes will be produced. If we think of this like a roller coaster, each roller coaster is going to need its own path or track. The green roller coaster will take the top loop, creating gamete MIJ.KLHG. The blue roller coaster will take this inner loop here and create gamete MLK.JIHG. The purple roller coaster will start here and travel along until it crosses over here between J and K and makes a loop to go backwards to create gamete MIJ.KLM. The pink roller coaster will take this last track to go up, cross over, take a loop, and go back to create gamete GHLK.JIHG. If we look at the gametes that individual 1 produces, we will see that the green gamete and the blue gamete are viable since they have all of the regions present. If we look at this purple gamete, we will see that it's not viable because it is missing the H and G region and it has the duplicated M region. If we look at this pink gamete, it is also not viable because it has duplicated G and H region and is missing the M region. Individual 2 has chromosomes MIJ.KLHD and MIJ.KLHD. Even with crossover between regions J and K, the gametes are all MIJ.KLHD. The green roller coaster will run along this top track. The blue roller coaster will run along the bottom track. The purple roller coaster will start on the second line and dip down or cross over to the third line. The pink roller coaster will start on the third line and take a slight hill up to the second line. All of the roller coasters will produce the same gametes MIJ.KLHG, and all of these gametes will be viable since all of the regions are present and there are no duplications. Although the roller coasters occurring in individual 2 are less fun since there are no loops, it is more functional. The roller coasters in individual 2 all create functional gametes compared to only 2 gametes being functional in individual 1. So basically individual 2 has a higher fitness since it has 4 gametes surviving compared to only 2 gametes surviving in individual 1.